Brazili win for the first time on the caddy. What about the Brazili caddies? The green flag waves the back. It's for Tuttle. The lights are being held a long time. Lights out, and we are racing here in this crucial Qatar Grand Prix. Martin missed the start. He got massive wheel spin on the finger pump of the caddy. He's under pressure here from Quattararo.